In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a simple mermaid org chart with ChatGPT and insert it into draw.io. First, open ChatGPT in your browser. Once you're in, we'll give it a clear, specific prompt so it knows exactly what to create. Type something like this: generate a simple mermaid org chart in GraphTD format for a small business. Include the CEO, 3 departments, 3 members in each department, and use the label in the format name and role. Keep it simple. Then hit enter. This phrasing tells ChatGPT what structure you want, the direction of the graph, and how to label each person so it's readable and consistent. ChatGPT should respond with a code block that starts with the line GraphTD. That first line is important because it tells Mermaid to draw the chart from top to bottom. Below it, you'll see connections that look like A, keep B. That's Mermaid's way of showing reporting lines. Carefully copy only the Mermaid code, including the GraphTD line and all the connections, but avoid copying any surrounding explanations or commentary. Next, go to draw.io, also known as diagrams.net, in a new tab. If you're asked where to save, choose the option you prefer and open a blank diagram. In the top menu, click Arrange, then click Insert and select Mermaid. A dialog will open where you can paste the Mermaid code you copied from ChatGPT. Paste it in, double-check that the first line still says GraphTD, and press Enter or Insert. Your org chart should render instantly. You'll see the CEO at the top, followed by the 3 departments, and then the members within each department. If anything doesn't appear, make sure there are no extra characters, that the arrow lines are using the correct syntax, and that your labels follow the name and role format. Small formatting issues in Mermaid can prevent the diagram from rendering, so checking spacing and punctuation is worth the moment. From here, you can adjust the layout using draw.io's standard tools. Drag nodes to tidy spacing, use the zoom and fit options to see the whole chart, and, if you want a cleaner vertical look, make sure the flow appears top-down. You can also update labels directly in the Mermaid code if you need different department names or roles. Just keep the same structure so the chart stays readable. And that's it. You've used ChatGPT to draft a clean Mermaid org chart and inserted it into draw.io with just a few clicks. Simple, fast, and easy to customize for your team.